welcome back to my channel. This is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual assistant. For today, how to find and win clients on Onlinejobsph. Paano ba mag-improve ang inyong Onlinejobsph profile? So, kung meron na kayong Onlinejobsph profile, palagay ko ito na yung susunod na steps for you. Paano i-increase ang ID proof sa loob ng Onlinejobsph? Top tips na pwede kong i-share para maging successful ka sa Onlinejobsph. Pero bago tayo magsimula, kung gusto mo yung mga video na ganito, please consider subscribing, i-like mo na rin at i-share mo na rin. Para mag-succeed ka. Okay, so this is Onlinejobsph. Ito yung website niya, ito yung interface niya, ito yung parang itsura ng online job. This is what Onlinejobsph looks like. So we have to sign up. Of course, this is just like a regular account creation. You have to sign up, verify the account creation via your email, and then you will log in once you have created your Onlinejobsph account. So let us just take a look at the interface or the website. So here you can see here the resumes or the recent resumes created, and here you can see here the most recent jobs posted. So you need to sign up as a freelancer. You have to fill this up. You will be a worker. You will be classified as a worker. So you need to put your full name, email, password. So this is just like a regular account creation. If you are already done with this, we will proceed. Once created mo na yung account, eto na yung iyong magiging account. So like I mentioned from our previous video, I already have my account created inside Onlinejobsph. The reason why I created this video is because marami din ako nakuhang clients from Onlinejobsph. So I have to create a video for them because out of the 10, this is my favorite website from those top 10. Okay, so this So, ito yung aking profile. So, as you can see here, please upload a professional photo, yung professional looking photo, at dapat naka-frontal yung iyong view. I have my ID proof and we are going to discuss that today. So, how are you going to improve your ID proof? Recently, they've updated their database, so they asked all of the sign-ups or all of the workers' account to update their ID proof. So I'm going to show you how I did that. So this is my profile and this is my dashboard. This is my profile inside. Okay. So this is my profile. And this is my verification for ID proof dashboard. So I have already verified, as you can see here. I'm sorry. So you have to go back. I have 99 score for my ID proof, and this is the verification process that you are going to do inside verification. And this is important. ID verification is very important. Okay. So all of my IDs are uploaded inside, so they have to be approved. It will take probably 2 to 3 days for them to review the documents you have uploaded, and then you will get the result in 2 to 3 days. I mean, with my case, it's like just 1 day. So I have here, maybe because I already have the account with them for how many years already. I'm not sure what the criteria is, but I got the results after 2 days, 1 to 2 days, I think. So you need to upload government ID in here. So it could be a driver's license, passport, or anything that is legitimate government ID. This is with a selfie. Okay. And then you have to upload address billing, address verification. So you have to put or upload billing documents wherein your address is clearly stated, not necessarily under your name. It's just makes sense that sometimes it is not under your name, but the billing address should be clear on the screenshot that you're going to make. And then you're going to put also your mobile number as part of verification. You need to finish or complete all of these requirements for you to be able to get a high score on ID proof. So you have to put basic information as the very first information required by Onlinejobsph, and then you have to take tests that they have. So this will greatly improve your profile. So their tests include IQ tests. I will help you with that. I'm not sure if this is correct, but I'll probably share with you the answers to their IQ test. I suggest you just first review it with the answers that I will be sending to you via our description section. But I suggest you review it. Do not just put the information or the answer on their IQ test. It will not help you. It will. My intention is to help you with your IQ test. The answers are there, but you need to review. So to help you out with your IQ test, I will provide you some answers with your IQ test. And then you have also to get their English test. I already have responded to their English test and their IQ test. I'm still working on the DISC profile. This is, I think, very much straightforward. The answers are based on your personality. There is no right or wrong answers for this. So I did not bother to look around for answer for this profile because this is your personality test. This one for English test, I will probably provide you with answers, but I suggest you review it. It will not help you if you just paste the answers on the for the IQ test. It will not help you out if you will just paste the answers in their IQ test. I suggest you review it with the answers that I will be providing for you to help you out also in the future. My intention is to just help you out with the IQ test to speed things up, but I do not intend to make it like a cheating for you. So I suggest you review the answers that I will be providing for the IQ test. Also, English test, you need to get their English test. I'll probably get you some answers for their English test, but I suggest you take the test on your own to help you out also. So as you can see here, my profile. Here is my profile. Okay. This is my profile. I put a short description of this is like a tagline for your resume or your profile. So I created a very short tagline in there. And then I have here the basic information, and I've already taken the tests they have provided, and I have skill summary in here. As you can see here, my skill summary is quite different. So they don't have option for reference in Onlinejobsph, and I decided to put the reference in there. These are legit recommendations or reference that I got from my previous employers. This is not updated. The one that I have here is from 2017. The reason why I'm showing this is because they don't have a section for reference in Onlinejobsph. This is just my creative way of showing my profile as virtual assistant in Onlinejobsph. So I have here inside skill summary section my legit reference or recommendations from my previous clients. Here, worker skills. So you have to honestly put information in worker skills. So you have to score yourself for your top skills. Same thing with your experience as general virtual assistant. So you have to rate yourself in here, and your English experience. I suggest you write a short summary about your experience in here. This will be your the client's gauge option of your English proficiency. And then you will also skills in here in speaking and writing, and then you have here your writing information in here. So you have to put honest information in your skills information. Otherwise, if you put like 5-star for all of this, probably the expectation will be really high. So I suggest you put honest information when you are rating your skills in different sections here. And then we have here for advertising, web development. I do web development as well. For advertising, I do PPC or pay-per-click advertising. So I will rate myself in there as well. Marketing and sales. So if you have experience with email marketing, Facebook marketing, social media marketing, and video marketing, that would be a great option in here. And then we have the webmaster. Since I am an SEO specialist, I am an SEO worker, online worker, I created a very short summary for my experience as webmaster. Same thing with the section in here for your skill rating. And if you can do graphic or creatives, if you can do graphic creation, that would be good. And if you have customer service and admin support experience, that would be great as well. And your professional service. Okay, let's recap. This is my profile. I have 99 score on my ID proof. I showed you that already earlier, how you're going to improve your ID proof. And I suggest you put some keywords on your profile. So this is important as well. you put, like for example, I am an SEO, so I put some keywords in there. SEO. There. SEO. So all the keywords must be inserted in your profile, because at the end of the day, Onlinejobsph is also using an AI which is based on relevance. So you have to put some keywords that is related to your skills. So a short tagline, basic information, you have to take your tests, and then improve your ID proof, and then your skill summary. Let me show you my dashboard for my job applications. As you can see here, okay, I'm not sure, but I kept on getting proposals from client as well. I'm not sure, that is since like 2014, 2016, 2017, but still from those years up to the current time, I still receive proposals from clients. As you can see here, this is updated, so this is from 2021. These are clients' proposal to me for their job opening. So yan yung kanilang job opening that clients are contacting me, and this is from 2019 and this is from 2020. So I kept receiving proposals from clients. I don't know what I did with my profile exactly. The truth is, I do not know how the algorithm inside Onlinejobsph works, but I am showing you this is what I did, or this is what I did for my own profile, and I'm not sure how it works or how the algorithm works inside Onlinejobsph, but I am receiving a lot of jobs proposal inside my account.